Welcome students to the Mathematics Campus TV. Today, we'll be learning about volume and recognizing the concept of what volume is. Let's take a look at these three pictures. Can you tell which sticker has the smallest surface area and which one has the largest surface area? I'll give you 1 minute to solve it out. So, the smallest is the boat on the right. The second largest is the carrot sticker in the middle, and the largest is the dog sticker on the left. Did you get them all correct? Great job to you if you managed to get them all correct. Now, let's take a look at some real-life examples. Which of these toys will occupy the most space? How about the least space? Can you help me arrange them from the smallest to the largest? So, the smallest toy is actually the carrot in the middle. The second largest one is the boat on the right, and the largest is the dog toy on the left. Now, did you manage to get all these answers correct? Great job to you if you managed to get them all correct. Now, every object occupies space. The amount of space it takes is what we call the volume of the object. Remember, volume is used to calculate the size of an object or a 3D shape, while the area is used to calculate the surface area of the 2D shape. If you take a look at the two fruits, you can see that the watermelon occupies a larger amount of space when compared to the apple. Therefore, the volume of the watermelon is larger than the apple, and the apple has a smaller volume than the watermelon. What about liquid and gas? Do they occupy space? Will they have volume then? What do you think? Let's take a look at two examples of the orange juice as well as air inside the balloon. When we take a look at these two examples, we can actually find that liquid and gas actually occupies space as well. Therefore, they have volume as well. Can you tell me by observation which vehicle has the largest volume? I'll give you 30 seconds. So, who thinks the correct answer is the taxi on the left? Can you raise up your hand? How about the bus in the middle? If you think the bus in the middle has the largest volume, can you raise up your hand? Lastly, how about the van on the right? If you think the van on the right is the correct answer, can you raise up your hand? So, the correct answer is actually the bus in the middle. Did you get this answer correct? Good job to you if you did. Now, from the two bags in the example, can you tell me which one is larger? Is it the lunch bag on the left or the school bag on the right? The correct answer is actually the school bag on the right. Because, as you can see, it has a larger volume and it occupies a lot more space than the lunch bag on the left. Did you manage to get this answer correct? Great job to you if you managed to get it correct. Now, can you arrange the following items based on their real life size from the smallest to the largest, with 1 standing for the smallest and 3 standing for being the largest? So on the left, we have a pair of AirPods. In the middle, we have an hair dryer. And on the right, we have a microwave. So the smallest out of these 3 is the AirPod on the left. The second largest one is the hair dryer in the middle. And finally, the largest and the item which take up the most amount of space will be the microwave. Now, let's apply what we have learned in our own lives. Why do you think we need to flatten the carton before disposal? Let me give you 30 seconds to think about this. So, the carton will take up less space when we flatten it. Therefore, before we throw away empty cartons of drinks, empty cans, or empty plastic bottles, we have to flatten it first. Then the rubbish bin or the recycle bin can store more rubbish. So students, remember to flatten the plastic, paper boxes, and cans before you throw them into the rubbish bin next time. Thank you for joining us in today's Campus TV. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.